Hey, Melissa here with Lady Boss Leads. I want to take a quick minute and shoot over that video. So we're going to go through your website and do an audit and show you what's holding you back from getting on that #1 spot of Google and what you can do today to bring you the most value and start outranking your competitors online. So the first thing that I want to talk about is content. So when someone searches for painting contractors, Gainesville, Google has what's called crawlers, and they crawl the internet searching and ranking those results. So they're looking for keywords and what the site should be found for, looking for the services that you offer and what areas you serve. So looking at your site here, it looks great. Nice layout, lots of photos. There's not a whole lot of content though, and one thing that I can tell you about Google is they love to see content. They like to see a minimum of 1,500 words on your homepage, using those keywords about 10 to 15 times ideally. So if we go and do a Google search for home painting contractor Gainesville, the first thing that comes up is called the map pack. So all of these companies have what's called a Google My Business page. It's super important to have one of these, and you really want to be on this first page so you're super easy to be found. You don't want to have to scroll to the next page or the next page in order to find your company. These guys are going to be getting the most phone calls. And then when you go down a little bit further, this is called the organics listing. So you want to be on the first page of this as well. So if we go in and look at this guy that's #1, CertaPro. So we look at their website, it looks okay. It doesn't really have a whole, it does have some content down here. So they have a lot of content on their page. So that's probably a lot of the reason why they're listed #1. And I think they also, I'm not sure if they're a national company or not, but they have a lot of locations here. So they're probably targeting all of these locations and areas that they serve. So I use this program called Ahrefs. So it goes in and analyzes the website so you can see what we're up against and see what you need to do to beat out your competitors. So they have a super high rating. So this is called a UR and a DR. The UR is how trustworthy your site is, and the DR is how powerful it is in Google's eyes. So those numbers are super important when it comes to ranking your website and trying to get to that #1 spot. So they have over 309,000 backlinks coming from 16,000 referring domains, and 14,000 of those are super powerful sites. So they have a lot going on the back end of their website. They have 87,000 keywords. So yeah, it looks like this site is actually ranking nationally, but they would still be easy to beat locally. So if we just grab some of the local keywords like house painters, Gainesville, exterior painting Gainesville, and they probably have a super high search volume as well. I just don't want to scroll. It's probably on the 5th or 6th page. But you just grab some of those keywords that includes your locations that you're targeting. And that's really going to help to boost your SEO and get you to the top of that page. Because when we come and look at your site, you're not even ranking here at all. So you have nothing going on your website. Nobody's finding your site at all. So some ways that you can help is adding those keywords to your home page, adding about 1,500 words of content, grabbing some backlinks from some powerful sites. So you want to grab backlinks that are coming from sites that are relevant to your scope of work and services. So you don't want to get any backlinks from just coupon sites or sites that have nothing to do with painting. So if you can implement some of those strategies, I think you'd be in good shape and starting to get on that first page of Google. I hope you found this helpful and can implement some of these strategies. And please feel free to leave me some feedback and let me know your thoughts. Look forward to speaking soon. Bye-bye.